safe and glorious drive in your car. Remain firmly seated, hands, arms, feet and legs inside. Watch your children, and do try to drive more carefully than told. Ta-ta. Bienvenido a Auto. Para su seguridad, por favor permanezca sentado al lado. Para su seguridad, por favor. Y por favor, mire a los pequeños. Esperamos que disfruten del paseo.
Watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.